you go, drink some tea. Mommy, my belly don't feel right. Drink some tea.
I believe that one though. Drink some tea.
Your bucket too? Drink some tea.
The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody want me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and us in the blood.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
You know we're here for a good time and a long time. Get wine on the thing like a... I was waiting for you to fill in the blank.
I'm like wondering where the hell you made that up from.
Right now I'm just hyper, guys. Smash the like button because you know we're here for a good time and a long time. You know I'm Chaddy and this is Danny. And today's video we have for you is...
Things Jamaican mothers do or say.
Shout out to who?
Samara Sennett. She gave us this idea from the last video, how to piss off a Jamaican, and here we are giving you the video.
Shout out to her, yo. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Smash the like button, yo. Comment down below. Notification gang, notification squad. Go check out the merch whenever you have time. Mr. Go check.
Link.
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead. Let's get right into the
Video.
first one. Oh my god. This is the on the top. This is the top one. Every time something happen, you feel so good. Your belly hurt you. You buck your toe. Like your stomach.
Alright, anyways.
Yeah, you know, like your stomach.
When you don't feel good.
Yeah. What a Jamaican mother tell you? Drink some tea. Everywhere you go, drink some tea. Mommy, my belly don't feel right. Drink some tea.
I believe that one though. Drink some tea.
Your bucket too? Drink
No.
some tea. No, them tell you
Nobody
for
told
real,
me.
and them tell you for rub Vicks. Enough time you tell me rub
Vicks
Vicks.
for real, but not Bucky so.
Me say if you check my mother's cupboard right now,
She have about 50 tea.
a 50 tea bag and 1,000 Vicks. If you ever see this right now, you bet.
Anyways, the next one is famous. All who can hear.
Well, feel.
I used to get that all the time. I probably still get that.
Basically, when you bust your ass.
You don't even have a bust your ass. You just have to do something that they tell you not to do.
Yeah, for real.
Anything in life, and they tell you don't do it. Third one. We used to get this as a kid. Not really right now because we're grown and we don't really get beaten anymore. But you remember this one when you used to go on the ground, you used to get some beating and then beating you on top of the beating and then beating you on the beating and then telling you if them give you anything to bawl about. While they're beating you. You're like,
yes.
Kinda.
Yes. Them lick you. Make you anything for ball about?
And you're like, what are you doing right now?
That hurt.
I kind of felt that one.
That hurt. But yeah, for real though, like, I never used to get that. Like, of course it hurt me. But you lick me and you say, make you anything for ball about? Like that doesn't make any logic sense.
Or they beat you and you in the your room crying and they're like, we get anything to ball about, and they come back and beat you again.
Oh, you know what's funny is like when you have ball and then somebody come to your house and then tap your knives, tap your knives in front of people. They box in front of people, you know. Let me tell you, Jamaican mothers, they have their hands ready. Them have them weapons ready.
Or they just give you the stare.
Yes.
The stare, and you know you're gonna get it.
Yes.
After the people leave.
You ever get the worst beating is when them tell you to go bathe.
Oh God, I never got that one.
Yeah, that's the worst beating. And
You probably got that.
Yeah, bathe and you just feel something so right on your back and you say, what that? What that? When you look at it, it's just the next one to come right on you.
You look like you used to get a lot of beating.
Of course, I'm a guy, so I used to get the whole heap of beating. I used to give enough trouble. That's how it go.
You still give trouble.
Spanish Town, you know.
Oh God.
Anyways.
Anyways, okay, and that one kind of goes into the next one. Jamaican mothers use anything to beat you with.
Like, legit.
Anything. This pillow.
The pillow, them find shoes, them find stool.
Book.
Them find piece of board.
Control.
No man. What's the worst thing you ever get liquid?
I don't used to get a lot of beating. I'm sorry.
Yeah, the worst thing is a rope. Me tell you. Me teach you off your rope.
Well, I can understand because I can't imagine how much trouble Chaddy used to get.
Yeah, no, I'll never forget it. My father was running me down. Just remembering. Like, he tell me not to go in that mud. So done. Went in there, started running up and down the mud. I'm just here. Cause you know how the rope sound? I just look back, I'm just see that come. He just start lick me, and I'm a butter.
Okay, that one's a little bit graphic for us.
Comment down below what's the worst thing you ever get hit by your mother with.
Okay, so this one, whenever you curse a bad word, especially in front of them friends or people, and you embarrass them, you know what to do?
What them do? What them do, Danny?
What do they do? Cause you get this.
They will beat you. Just make sure, you have to get beat. The second thing, they can wash out your mouth with soap. And make sure it's one clean soap, like one brand new soap. Because you see, if I'm a whole soap, Lord.
Well, I'm a good child again. I never got that.
That's the worst. I
can imagine.
I was embarrassing too. Lord, no. The tip, yo. I don't know how I feel. Like, the taste bad.
Okay, guys, I know you guys can relate to this one. So, you ever come home and your mother finish cooking, or your mother cooking and you're watching on the TV and they're like, go wash up the 2 plates in the sink.
And when you buck round the corner, a 1,000 plate in there.
50 pot, 10 plate. 50, what you call those things that you season the meat in? Container.
The container them, oh God. Yeah, I wonder where the plate them come from. She never have so much plate in her life. She never have so much pot in her life.
Until it's time for you to wash the plate.
Yo, I used to hate, oh God. Me used to hate it, people.
Me too. I never used to like.
No.
I never mind washing plates, but.
But now, like me, well, we have to wash full plate. But what I'm gonna tell you, we still have the same feeling.
You wash plate?
Next
you
one.
wash the
next
plate?
one. You like
once every month.
It's every 2 days. Next one.
Alright, I know your mother always tell you this. So when you follow your friends too much, they always say, so if your friend jump off a bridge, you gonna jump too.
Yo, music. Or jump off a cliff.
Jump off a cliff.
Yeah, that them always tell you, oh my God. No, Jamaican mothers, they're different. And you know what's so funny? Everything them say is 100% going to happen.
It's true.
It's like them predict the world. Them predict what you're gonna do and walk on.
Everything they used to tell you when you was young happen.
Yeah.
Happen when you get old.
Me don't know when you pasteurize your mother.
Pasteurize is not even a word.
When you pest your mother, what she said, Danny? What she said?
You think me and you are size?
And she take her hand in the gun finger and you think me and you are size? Hey little boy, you think me and you are size? Run. Jamaican mothers, people.
They're the best.
Jamaican mothers, I tell you.
I think they have the most character as.
Yes. I'm gonna tell you one thing about Jamaican mothers. You see if you have a bad report card?
Oh God.
Run. If you want to have a life, run.
I remember I hid my report card all summer because I knew. If you ever see that, I would have never have a summer. I would be locked up.
Locked up, they gonna let me out. Me say.
Or parent-teachers meeting and you get in a Chad just talk too much.
Oh my God, that's the worst thing, you know. Me say me can't stand the little boy, you see. I didn't think that she say, you know.
And she just give you the look.
Yeah man.
And you know it's on.
Yeah man, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. And you know, look at my skin color, people. You see when me get licked, it's sure. So people when we go to school next day, them know me get so rotted beaten. Black and blue when me looking.
Okay guys, so that's just a few things our famous Jamaican mothers do. If you know anything else, comment below. Anything your Jamaican mother used to do to you. Or your Trinidad mother, your Guyanese mother, any of your Caribbean parents.
Yes.
Comment below what they used to do to you.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Smash the like button.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Make sure you guys share the video. Subscribe to be a part of the family. Now we have the notification shout out times. So the first notification shout out goes to...
It's Lavardo Vlogs. What was his notification shout out?
Notification, peng, 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 peng. I told you, if you did it, you'd get it.
Next notification goes to Kyle Tomlin.
Kyle Tomlin, big up your damn self, you go right here.
And last but not least, Rihanna Johnson.
Rihanna Johnson, big up your damn self, you go right here. If you want to be a part of the notification squad, you gotta hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, notification, gang notification. Oh, the bell as well, notification, unruly notification, ping ping notification, boom bang boom.
Alright, and don't forget to check out DC Squad merch. Click the link below. And we are...
The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, not somebody who me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme, cut me now, you good and I see no blood. Ready up.